factors and multiples. So the first place to start is to consider what a factor is. Now you should know that factors are numbers that go into another number exactly. So that is a definition that you do need to know. Now starting at the number 10, the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Because 1 times 10 is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. Now moving on to the number 16. Again, the factors are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Now if you have a look, 10 has an even number of factors, 16 has an odd. Now why is that? We know that 1 times 16 is 16, 2 times 8 is 16, but 4 times 4 is 16, so we only need to write the 4 once. Now, this brings us on to an interesting case looking at these two numbers. If we have a look, they share the 1, don't they? Because they both have a factor of 1, and they also share the factor of 2. Now, with questions to do with factors, you might often be asked to find the highest common factor. Now, if we have a look here, the common factors of 16 and 10 are 1 and 2, but their highest one is the 2. So that would just be the answer. So that is factors. Now we need to look at multiples. So again, we just need to refresh our memory on what a multiple is, if you don't already know. Multiples basically are the number that are in the times tables. So for instance, looking at the number 4, the first number in the 4 times table is 4, followed by 8, followed by 12, then followed by 16, 20, and 24. Now we could be here all day because this will just go on and on and on. Then jumping to 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and just like the 4, we could be here all day writing out the multiples of 6, so I'm going to stop there. Now, again, a little bit like when we looked at factors, there are common multiples as well. So if we have a look, the 4 and the 6 share a multiple of 12. They also share a multiple of 24. And if we were to continue writing their multiples, they would be sharing other ones as well. Now this can bring us on to the least common multiple. So the least common multiple of these two numbers is a 12 because that is the smallest one that they share. So the least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12.